Hi, my name is Elena Carlson. I am in third period honors computer programming, and this is my final project. So I chose to create the game Connect 4, and basically the screen starts off with player 1 gets to choose their color. So basically they get to pick which color they want. There's only two options, so I'm going to choose red, and then player 2 gets to choose their color. So I'll choose black. And then it starts off with player 1, and player 1 gets to pick wherever on the board they want to put their token. So if I were to click somewhere up here, it's still going to appear down there, because in real Connect 4, you can't have one floating in midair. So the game, and then it's player 2's turn, and the game just goes on until someone wins. So let's say player 1's going to win. And you can get diagonals, you can go vertically or horizontally like I just won. And now that player 1 has won, they get a point up here. And if you want to restart completely, you can press R, which will set the score back to 0, and you'll get to repick your colors. But if you want to play again, you can press A, which is what I'm going to do. And then let's say that player 2 wins this time, which this is a very simple example, and now they're tied, but I don't want to play with the person I'm playing with anymore, so I want to restart completely. I'll press R, and then you get to re-choose your colors. And that's basically the game. It's 2 players. It's pretty simple. And the players, they take turns using the mouse to click their position. All right, that is all.